I started detailing cars at 15. I love the passion for a clean car. My cars have always been just immaculate, you know? And so I started doing it and it worked out for a while. Didn't get into the marketing end of it, so business, tapered off and I got a regular job. And in my regular job, I met my wife and we worked together for a lot of years and I thought, I can make something happen with this. And so I started out in a business 30 years ago detailing cars. And I brought my passion and my quality of work to my customers. I was doing it mobile. I didn't have a shop. I was going to their houses or their places of business. And it really worked out very, very well. You will come into Trucking Car Concepts and you will get the best customer service that you've ever had. I don't care what day it is. I don't care what time of day it is. You're always greeted. You're pleased with the outcome of your service. And if you're not pleased with the outcome of your service, I promise you, I will take care of it, bar none. I will drop what I'm doing. I will stop the presses and make sure that you are happy. I love what I do. I love people. I am a customer-oriented person. I do not know any strangers. When I go out to the mall, I talk to people. When I go in public, I talk to people. And so I bring that passion to my shop. And so it's all about customer service. I bring the whole game to Tallahassee and to Trucking Car Concepts because number one, customer service. Number one, quality. And number one, satisfaction. So all of what I do, everything is number one. It's all a priority to me and to my employees at Trucking Car Concepts. I think that if you come in, check us out, you'll be able to see the difference, talk to my competitors, and then come back talk to me because you'll see a difference.